Vyond Video Animation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think creating professional animated videos requires a huge budget or design skills, but you won't believe what happens next when an intuitive platform makes animation accessible to everyone. Vyond is a cloud-based video animation platform that lets users create explainer videos, marketing content, and training materials using drag-and-drop tools, templates, and customizable characters. The surprising truth about Vyond is that it balances simplicity with professional quality. You can animate characters, add voiceovers, and create dynamic scenes in hours, not weeks, without needing a graphic design degree. Most people get this wrong. They assume pre-built templates look generic. In reality, Vyond allows deep customization of characters, props, and movements, so your videos can be unique and on-brand. Vyond is best for marketers, educators, small business owners, and content creators who need engaging animated videos quickly and efficiently. The surprising truth is that animation doesn't have to be expensive or complex. With the right tools, anyone can create videos that look polished and professional. Subscribe for more honest video software reviews that help you create, animate, and engage effectively.